Alright guys, so anyways, let me lighting is actually from my back, so I gotta face this way. So this is part two. This is part 2 of the outing. I cut the panfish video at where it was because I had an idea and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. I have all day. I got nothing to lose. Why not just give it a shot? It's very bright. Hold on. I figured I'd just like, you know what? Whatever. Let's just make the challenge happen. Let's just catch a panfish or white bass, whatever, and use the meat to catch channel cats. Because I saw that one channel cruising by the bridge. I'm like, you know what? It's got to be channel cats here. Stick around and let's get right into the fishing. And I'll talk to you guys what I'm using. Stay tuned. All right, now that we're back at the island, I am going to attempt to catch channel catfish because I found some crayfish tails, right? Crayfish backing. I don't know, just got bored of the, what'd you call it, the panfish game, and now I'm gonna attempt to catch a bigger fish because it did slow down, so I'm assuming there's a big fish in here somewhere, like just chilling. There we go. I only have 2, so whatever we catch is whatever we catch. It's a pretty small hook, but we're gonna find out real quick. We can hold on tight with this guy. It'll be a fun challenge, you know. Alright, see what happens. An ultralight rod too, so let's see what happens. I got hit. Oh, I got one. Nice. Dang, already. It's a white bass. Oh, man. Well, I'm going to keep you because I need bait. Ah! I think white bass was going to hit it. But yeah, I'm going to keep this guy for sure. I need some cut bait. White bass are good cut bait. Got him. Yep, got him. That's a channel. Haha, yes. You got the channel cat. It's not that big, but it's a channel. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Barely hooked too. Just a small guy. We'll release him. Oh, there we go. That's a big channel. That's a big channel. That's a big channel. Oh, there we go. It's going, take me for a ride. Nice. That. Oh, and it popped off. It's all good. Nice. Oh, you straightened my hook. At least you know it works. Squeeze all the juice out. There we go. There we go. That's a nice fish. Yep, we're on. We're on. That's a nice channel. Oh my gosh. He's running. Oh god. Do an ultralight rod. Oh no, no, no. Keep going, keep going. Yep. Bell's open. Oh my gosh. There we go. It's not big as the one I lost, but it's still a good fish. I'm fighting him in a calm area here. Oh my goodness. What a freaking white bass meat. Just feels big because it's on an ultralight rod. There we go. Yep, it's going. A 4-pound test, guys. 4-pound test. Where's the net when I need them? Yep, let's do his thing. Oh my god, it's not coming out. Is my battery still on? Yep. Hopefully battery doesn't die, guys. Oof, my arm. Arm's getting tired. There we go. That's a good channel right there. A 4-pound test, guys. Just gotta tire him out. There it is. Nice, dude. Heck yeah. It's a big old female. It's catfish season. Yeah, dude. Let's go. Right by the skin. Oh my gosh. That's a nice channel. Jeez, barely hooked. Yep, I'm keeping this girl. Want some fish nuggets. Look how big she is. Wow. Long fight. This way they have current flow. Alright, as you guys can see, we caught a nice channel catfish with the white bass meat here. It is always a plus to me in my book. It's super fun just to do that. Oh, there we go. That's I got one. Jeez. He snatched the rod right out of my hand. Oh my gosh. I was just gonna turn off the GoPro to reset it. Oh, dude. Oh my goodness. An ultralight rod, guys. That's a nice channel. Big kitty cat. Oh my gosh. That's a nice one. It might be bigger than the one before. Gotta keep it up. Keep it high. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Jeez. It's a nice kitty cat. Yep, stay on. No, stay on, stay on, stay on. Look at him go. Look at him go. Stay on. Yep, stay on. You guys see that? Right there. Nice channel. It's another female. Yep. Nope, don't come to me. Around the corner of the lip. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. Dude literally snatched it right out of my hands. Yeah, let's go, dude. Oh my gosh, he's huge. This is too funny, man. Look at that, right on the skin hook, right there. Oh my god, on a crappie jig, white bass meat. That's insane. Wow. Now that you guys watched those 2 catfish being caught, I'm on my panfish rod because this is the only rod I brought with me. I got the TFO panfish rod, the Shimano Vanford, because it's my only panfish size, super light action reel here that I have in my arsenal. I'm using pink jig head right there, and I cut white bass meat, and I'm using it to catch these channel. I'm casting into this current seam here. There's 2 current, right? Because I'm in an island. It's breaking like a Y shape or a V shape, I guess. And they're like right in the middle of it. I still got my crappie and my white bass over there. But yeah, I guess there's channel catfish. I didn't think there was 2. I mean, I saw 1 by the bridge, but you just never know, you know? So I figure I cut the video and I make it this way, right? So then you guys can enjoy the panfish portion of it. And now we're doing some catfishing with it. Yeah. Cognac của tôi à? Không biết. Oh, there's not to do like that. Okay. Oh, yep, I got one. Hold on, Dad. Oh, yep, I got one. Của nó tôi white bass giờ, chỉ có white bass lại nữa sao? Oh, jeez. Tao tại sao nó đó. Tao tại sao nó đó. Check God. I'm gonna phone my dad. I got one. Yeah. Yep. There you go. Look at that, guys. Okay. Look at that. Right on a whisker. Look at that. Barely hooked. Wow. Yeah. Cái nói chị mà lên mua được con ha. But yeah, here we go. Nice little channel. Another female, I believe. These are good eats. Good eating channel. Alright, so this is going to be the last set for another 5 minutes. And then I'm going to head out to get some food. And then I'm going to fish this other bridge down river more. And hopefully we catch something. I'm just going to sit out for like 2 hours. I'm going to head out. Oh, there we go. We're on. Yep, just talking to you guys too. Yep, there. Oh no, it popped off. No. Okay, anyways, again, oh my gosh, and I got fish. Every time I try to talk to you guys. Every time I try to talk to you guys, dude. Oh, geez. That's a nice one. It's another nice kitty cat. Oh man, how do you leave such a good spot? But I'm getting hungry, you know? Look at him go. There you go. Jeez. Yep. He's just a runner. I don't know if he's big, but he's definitely a runner. Stay out of the current. I'm trying to guide him out of the current right into this deep pool right here. Find him right in the shallow. Oh, he's a freaking runner. That's what he is. What is this? I'm trying to raise him. Oh yeah, it's a kitty cat. It's a darker one. Wow, look at that thing. It's a freaking runner. Oh, dude, there's 2 of them. You saw that? Look. There's another fish right next to him. What the heck is that? Dude, there's 2 fish. Right here. It's another channel or shad or something. I don't know. Look, dude, they're right next to each other. Look. Bro, what is that? Whoa, what was that? Dude. What is that? Bro, there's 2 fish. Oh, it's a smallie, dude. That smallie's chasing him. No way. Bro, there's a smallie chasing. Oh, jeez. Bro, there's a smallie chasing my catfish. Oh my gosh. That was cool. What? I've never seen that before. There was a smallmouth bass chasing my channel. Whoa. I think I'm gonna head out now. I want to set out on that other spot, so clean up and I'll see you guys over there. Gotta go get ice too. Well guys, I think that's it for today. I wanted to come out here just to try it out. I've never done really good here because I haven't spent much time out in this spot anyways. I wanted to leave the park because there were people showing up and I could shoot an outro here, but there's nobody around. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We're definitely going to be doing this more often, do some cut bait, river bank fishing, setting out cut baits for like big channels, big flatheads, whatever we can think of. And hopefully it's good. I mean, I'm going to try it out and see what happens, hang around this river more often. And I hope you guys are liking this content. So yeah, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys very soon.